Hello guys, my name is Sophia. Welcome to my channel. Satisfy my new ideas? Today we work in a new form, drawing dragons from paper to hands. In the darkness of ancient times, when the stars go out, the dusk sky sank into the cold abyss and was born GLOOMSKEL. The dark wizards fulfilled their most sinister wishes. Forged from the bones of fallen soldiers, mixed in with the haze of a powerful spell, Gaskell's darkness and his nightmare rebirth. His skeletal shape bends in the dark shadow. Ceremonies. The furry chin made a shrill squeak. His eyes sparkled with ominous light. Who pierced the darkness? The darkness surrounding Argyle, it is vivid and real. It absorbs the energy of darkness, fear and despair with magnets. His shadow was born with a nightmare. Darkness became his faithful companion. Wherever GLOOMSKEL is, where the Dark Panic Symphony begins, his appearance left only frozen people, mind and defiled soul. Insidious skeleton dark servant, wandering around the world creates a glimmer of darkness. It's impossible to forget. Fly into the sky, dark skills thicken clouds, and chose the light of the stars. His inner fire absorbed the luminous body, turned them into your hot eyes. Night, when GLOOMSKEL was long and boundless. But behind all its gloomy majesty, Argyle has a tragic story. Skeleton, created by darkness, wandering between the world, now there is an answer. He left nothing but emptiness and pain. He's a living nightmare, in eternal pain. In this way, the dark legend of the Dark Scare continued. His essence is woven by shadow and fear. His fate was sealed by a cancer of material life, and he left a man whose name makes people fear and forget. On his endless path, GLOOMSKEL stumbled upon forbidden area. There, the echoes of his footsteps sounded like prayers in the void. Ancient ruins and monasteries. The forgotten century. Become the amphitheater you set up for his wordless horror. It penetrates the heart of the forgotten forest. There, every whisper of the wind reminds one of his gloomy brilliance. With every new dawn of Lakovsky, he brings darkness. Mysterious mist hangs over the earth. Its bone wings create shadowy patterns, like the feathers of a black peacock. All nature succumbed to his power. The moon turned into a pale candle before his darkness. Maestre, GLOOMSKEL is still an eternal tramp, frozen in the past, slowly moving towards the unknown future. His darkness permeates the deepest part of human mind, ignite their darkest fears. In his endless loneliness, he became the shadow of material life. The past and the present are intertwined in boundless places, a series of painful moments. So, the Church of Eternal Darkness moves on. Stir up imagination and leave footprints, an indelible fear. Under his rule, His every step stirred a tremor in the deepest part of his soul. If Mom wants to wrap him up, he is still the mysterious symbol of the night, unconquerable. But you must live with it forever. I hope you like this dragon. All my future videos will be released in this way, format. I hope you like him. Subscribe to my channel and like it. Click in order not to miss my latest video. Goodbye everyone.